Now the requirement here is the name of kin update to Tim. So for that I have to write down one HTTP put method, and with the help of that I can do that. Let's go to HTTP put. So let's copy this code snippet and paste it here. So what I'm doing here, I'm receiving this student DTO which have student ID and name. Firstly, I'm checking the student name, and if the student ID does not exist, then returning student ID does not exist, and if student is exist, then updating the student, and finally calling the context.save changes to make the changes as permanent. Let's run our API and add the request. This is our put request. This is put, and copy this and go to body and select raw, and within that select JSON and put it here, and the name I want Tim, and what is the URL? URL is same, and I'm pasting it here. Make sure everything is fine, and put the breakpoint here and send it. Check it. So student record updated successfully. Yeah, I can see here, and the same thing I can verify from here. It's updated as Tim.